Hi, hello friends, very good evening. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. Welcome to the pre-market report. Let's begin with the Nifty's analysis. So here we are looking at the Nifty's daily chart. So if you look at the daily chart, it is a very complex thing because every single day there was a gap up, there was a gap down almost for 15 plus days. Since 13th of April, we are seeing gap up and gap down. There was a huge gap down, there was a huge gap up, gap down, gap up, gap down. It has been a trend for almost for 15 plus days. And what we can understand from this is a very clear sideways. So the box has to be broken, and it has broken. It has broken at good trend line, and it has started in the uptrend. If you have any questions on the trend, just go to the line chart. It will show you the clear trend. The clear trend is now has formed. It has started from low, high, higher low, and higher high. It has broken this point, and what will happen is definitely it will come back to give a retest at 17,180 levels. So if that is done, then again what can happen is it can regain the momentum and go up. So what will happen is, so it has to retest and it has to sustain at this level, which is 17,180 levels, and after which it can start moving like this. Yeah, so this is what has to be happen before the upside move. So this is what has to be seen in the upcoming days. Only if this 17,180 is sustaining. If it is not sustaining, the trend will change and it will come back to the original zone of sideways. Again, we will be able to see 17,000 and 16,900 levels. For now, the trend has been formed and it has to move up. So let's go back to some 1 hour chart for today. The view for the next day. So the next trading ray is very clear. It has been in the box, and it has broken the trend line, which I have shown yesterday, and it has gave a good rally. And yesterday during the last hours, it has been like in the downtrend. It has just formed a bearish engulfing. It has started coming down almost like 80 points down, from 80 to 90 points down, from 17,322. It made a low of 17,217, almost 100 points we can see. So 100 points from 17,322 to 17,217. 100 plus points has been down in the last 1 hour. Let's have a look on the open interest of Nifty. Yesterday I have given a view saying the market will be moving towards the 17,200 and 17,000, but interestingly today 17,200 call option had a great unwinding, and there was a huge put option writing was seen at 17,200. That is why there was a bullish move, and there was a very good strong resistance towards 17,300. That is why market made a high of 17,322 and dropped towards 17,200 towards the end of the day. And as we see, 17,200 got very good number of put option. That is why the market didn't go below this, and that is where the market was playing between these 100 points. So that is all about Nifty. Let's go back to our Bank Nifty and see what is happening with Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also is seeing a good sideways movement, almost like 4 days of gap up and gap down, and today there was a bullish candle. But still, if you see, look at the trend, it is very simple. As I told, like if you are not clear about the trend with the help of candlesticks, always you can go with the help of line chart. In line chart, it is like low, high, higher low, previous low, previous high. That trend is in sideways. So what we can expect from this sideways market is we have a resistance towards, if you connect this high, previous highs, this low, lower high, and definitely market has to go towards the trend line. And if you look at the 1 hour chart, I have connected all the highs, and it has exactly taken a resistance at this level, and it has been like just above unable to cross this 36,500 levels. As I have given a view yesterday saying 36,500 has been having a huge open interest, and it was exactly made a high of almost like 36,492, and it came down almost like 36,501 was the high today, and is exactly it came down after that. So what we can expect is, if the market is giving a gap up, then the first target should be 36,600 levels, and then we can expect some bounce towards this area where we can see a good sort of resistance, whereas 36,900 will be having acting as a very good sort of resistance. If there is a gap down opening, then we can again see some good sort of downside movement. So this is where the downside can be seen. So this is where the first level, which is 36,240, will be the first level. If that is broken, then we will be seeing 36,000 or 35,900 levels towards 37,800. This is what the levels will be for tomorrow. And let us go back and have a look on the bank nifty's open interest. So as I told yesterday, 36,500 will be a huge resistance, and that is what has happened today. Exactly 36,501 was the high, and I told like 36,500 will be tested at least once, and that is what happened today. Exactly 36,501 was the high, and it came down after reaching this huge open interest at 36,500. And for the upcoming days, what will happen is definitely 37,000 seems to be a huge open interest has been seen in 37,000. So definitely it will also be tested, so that the 37,000 call option writers will wind up their positions. So that is all about the bank nifty and nifty's view. Let's go to tomorrow's intraday stocks. So intraday we are looking at Raymond. So Raymond has given a trend reversal from the top. So far the trend was up, and right now the trend has started coming down. So if let me plot the trend here. So it has made a high to low, then it made a low to lower high, and it has started coming down. Yeah, this level has been broken, and it has been the trend down. The trend has been reversed, that is, the trend has started moving in the downside. So what can we expect is, we can expect the bounce in the market for Raymond, and it has to go towards 850 levels. We need not take entry if it is falling down. If it is falling down below the support, then that is going to be a huge chance we will be seeing the Raymond's towards 17,790 levels. But if we are getting a chance at retest level, we can go for a short at this place, which is 850 levels for shorting. Shorting level is this. So shorting level is 850. $850 is the shorting level, and what we can expect is, we can expect a good sort of returns in this stock, in this trade. So 850 will be the shorting level, and this will be the 869 will be the stop loss. And what we can expect is definitely this 830 levels will be 816 will be the target. So even this can be taken for a swing trade if people are doing a future trade, and do your own analysis before taking any trades. Yeah, just blindly following anybody's trade will not be a good trade, but definitely these are going to be my personal view and my trades for the next day. So that is why I'm posting my view here, and this will be the levels to short, and here is your stop loss, which is 872 is the stop loss, and we'll be seeing towards 830 is the first level of target, and next is going to be 816 as a target. If this is also getting broken, then we will be seeing Raymond's at this level, which is the next support 790, after which there can be bounce. That is a different story, but for now this is going to be the trade for us. So the next stock is going to be JK Simmons. So JK Simmons has made a good higher low. It was in a very good uptrend from 2100 level, 2195 towards 2850. Now it has made a higher low at 0.5 of Fibonacci, and this is going to be our previous level of support, and right now it has made a double bottom. So here and this level and these levels are going to be double bottom, and this is the neckline. The neckline has been broken today. So what we can expect is, we can expect a good sort of bounce from the level. So let us take this trade. So the trade is going to be from here. We have to measure this. It is going to be 5.32%. So definitely this is going to be a small swing trading opportunity as well as the intraday. So if we are getting a position or a chance to take a trade at 2650, that is going to be a very good risk reward call. So we'll be getting at least 1.5% of returns in the same day. Almost like 40% will be the target and 20 points will be the stop loss in 15 minutes closing. So we can take this for a swing trade as well. So we'll be getting minimum 5% from this counter. So that is all for the intraday stocks, and we'll have a small look at our booming are going to be globally. The US economy poses a surprise contraction belying the solid consumer picture, and oil fluctuations has been seen due to the US dollar strengths added to the supply headwinds. Europe seeks a tougher line on Russian gas threat. Then the new Omicron cases has been dominating the rising case in South African, and Kenya's inflations beat forecast in April. And these are going to be some important news across the globe. And in India, we have got the main news was purely the earnings. The main companies were giving their earnings. So many companies like Bank of Maharashtra, Maruti, and so on have given a very good results for the day, which was the top news for today. So Axis Bank has given a good profit up to 54%, beats estimates, and Tatas are likely to make 80,000 EVs this financial year. These are going to be the top news in India. And that is all for the pre-market report. Let's meet on Monday. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.